Hey everybody, welcome down to the underground lair. We have a Taylor here, return visitor. It's a 214 CE. It's got the fancy Taylor adjustable bridge, and let's see here, of course your controls on the outside here. It's in for string chains, and I don't know if you can see this, but we have a little chiclet. It's kind of been divoted out there, so we're going to drop some little bit of water down tight bond original down in there. Actually, don't want that there. So we'll just do this here where you all can see it. Just sink down in there. Just kind of broke around the rosette. Right here. So we got glue everywhere we need it. We can set this aside. Get those little brushes at the Hobby Lobby. And let's see here. You want a paper towel with a little bit of dampness on it. Clean up any squeeze out. Pull our chiclet up. Wipe the squeeze out. So we're going to go ahead and grab first piece of tape. Put it under, pull it like so. I guess I could have taken the strings off to do this, huh? Would have been a smart thing to do, right? Right. Okay. We got our second piece of tape. Put it under where I'm holding here, right at the edge of the chiclet. Wrap it around, pull it up, and pull it this way. Okay, that gives us a definite hold there. Now I have good old binding tape that they use to hold the kerfing in place and also do the binding. So it's a non-tacky. Use enough of it to hold things in place. One more wipe of that squeeze out. We yank that over here. So you notice I had these two pieces of tape on my shirt here to take some lint off so they're not as tacky. And so while I'm working on the guitar, that can just sit there and do its thing, and we don't have to worry about it. So let's go ahead and lose our strings here. This is tuned to D standard, and we're using 13s, D'Addario. Okay, so a little bit of tuner maintenance here. You take your 10mm, make sure your bushings are tight. Not cranked, but snug, I guess is the word that we're looking for. And they're snug. Secondly, I noticed some of these were really loose. You don't want them super tight, but you don't want them super loose either. Just take a little bit of tension on them. Okay. While we're here, we'll lose the truss rod cover. Truss rod cover, that is. That doesn't go there. So Taylor takes a 1/4 inch truss rod wrench. So we got some front bunch and clean the fingerboard, clean the headstock. It's all kind of grungy. So you know the drill. We get our fret erasers out and we clean them up. So we're going to go 3200, 3600, 4000, 6000, 8000. Alright, so we have our fingerboard conditioned, we have our frets polished up to 8000, got the top cleaned except for where I did the repair work, oiled the bridge, cleaned the headstock, tightened the hardware. Okay, so I thought I had Diodario phosphor bronze, but instead I have, what do I have here? Just one pack. Ernie Ball Earthwood medium phosphor bronze, 13 to 56. That's what's going on here. You take your ball end and you want to bend it so that when you put your nice and orderly, I keep them in order, bridge pins in, then it's not going to want to pull the bridge pin back out. And what I do, kind of do it by feel, tell you the truth. I set my base side at 1 and 7, where the hole or the string enters and comes out. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. The treble side is 11 and 5, 11, 5, 11, 5. That allows me to make a nice little Z. That like so, because I started using this new product here called Tune It, and it's I think it's actually better than the what is this stuff here? Big Ben's nut sauce. Whoa! Haha! Surprise! Got enough to go a while here. Got that in the slot. I still hold the bridge pin down because don't like to pop out on me, so put a little bit of pressure on it. I got 2 wraps, and pull the string in the direction of the Z. That kind of locks it down, and then we do 5 more. I'll be back. Alright, so we've got our Taylor 214 strung up. We used our tune it in the nut slots, so we're going to measure relief. I know that Taylor likes it much straighter than the other brands, so let's try 10. And it's a bit bowed, but it's been a year since it's been here, so let's take it tight just a little bit. Once again, we're using our 1/4 inch wrench. Retune. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, we're just slightly lifting that 10 off there. Let's see if we have any string buzz. Sounds like a Taylor. That's working. Let's go ahead and put it through the noisemaker, see what that sounds like. It all works. No noise in the electronics. We're going to let this dry, take it off in the morning, and we're going to call this done. Remember, we had to shave the saddle down quite a bit, and we got it. Yeah, we're still at a hair over 5/64, and we're at a hair over 4/64. Perfect. Low tack. Still left residue, which is fine. One piece. We'll just polish the rest of that off. Full piece. 3-piece. Get some polish. There we go. That's all that we need. Actually, probably more than what we need. Still kind of see the bump there, but at least it's not going to fall off. That's going to wrap this one up. Love your neighbor like you love yourself. Take care of the old folks because they're indeed special, especially once they're gone. Peace. Have yourself a great day. Keep on being awesome. Thanks, guys.